Day number 5 of the rain, and just having a walk around under the umbrella and my good wet jerkin on. As you can see, the rice fields are bloody flooded, and to an extent even them walkways, they're flooded over the top as well. So, but these bank sides have all held. Mem, during the night, it's now 7 AM, she got up and came down over here, down to have a look at the other side. So I've never known rain like this here, never. Now, the old pool situation, look, she's right up. Much more and she'll be flooding into the bottom garden. Oh, big fish jumped there. So, I've come down to have a look at the creek. She said it was just a couple of inches, but looking at that there, it's come over. Yeah, it's breached. Yeah. Oh, I've never seen this. I've never seen it like this. Oh, she certainly has. But, what can you say? And for the moment, it's held. But obviously, up that top end, she's come over. So, a bit of damage. I would think a lot of damage, to tell you the truth. I don't... Looking at that bottom section, bloody. Got to be breaching on every bloody section, hasn't it? And looking at the top there, she's rushing over there. No, I've never seen bloody rain like this here. Never. There'll be some power in that. There certainly will. Now you can do about it. Just have to bloody sit and wait it out. And then count the costs when it's gone. But even here, if you look here, look how it's flooding into these rice fields. Just showing you the state of the water. Now my worry there is that side of the bridge there. Yeah, it's got a concrete base and that like, but hey. At the moment, holding the bridge is holding fast like, but hey, you never know. You just never know. Never in 20 years of coming here have I ever seen the pool as full as this. Now, this wasn't expected, the last 24 hours of rain. It wasn't forecast. 20% chance of rain. And the deluge of rain overnight. Well, we'll go back down to have a look at the state of play here. And it has dropped slightly. The main worry from the last one I put on just before was it's dropped. It's dropped about a foot. No, tell a lie. About 8 inches, because it was breaching over the top. You can see all where the rubbish has been washed through the fence a bit there. Still a little flow coming through. That hole that was there the last deluge has reappeared again, once again there. But look at it. Look at it. And obviously it's a way through there, it's a way through there. Luckily, this foundation on this side has held. And it's never got down to the concrete underneath this last section here. By the looks of it, it's washed a canny bit out. But the force has dropped down a bit. But once again, like the last time, it's come to this bit and washed out a bit, but not to the extent it did the last time. So this is what we're learning. This is what we're learning for future reference. Now, I said to Mem, let's put another row of bricks on there. But see, I'm half a welly full here. But it's starting to drop. That's the main thing. But of course, the one you've got to feel sorry for is Mem. All the bloody hard work she's put in. And I've told her this is a section where it's coming in. So up to that brick there, I think 3 courses of bricks along there to build a bit of a wall. And 3 courses of bricks here along to here. And that should do, hopefully. But it'll probably breach here, so maybe a couple of rows of bricks up there. Because you can see in this field here, it's full where it's breached. But luckily, you know, the plants have held, which has also helped the soil and that on the top not getting washed away. But by God, been some water down. And of course this deluge here, obviously what she needs to do, I think she's done it, lift that white sack over there and let it bloody drain out. I'll do that on the way out. Let's just have a walk up here, see what's going on. But the sides here, fine. And of course, the water levels receded there on that side. So, just want to come up and have a look at what damage has gone on up here. Main structure of the place is fine. Top of the second section here, yeah, it's found its way through there, but the main structure's held. And still canny bit of water in there. That just needs sorting out there. Now up to this section next. You can see here rather, the rice crop in there is fine. And this middle section here, fine. Even here, it hasn't breached down there. Then top of this third section, looks like a lot of it's gone out over there, which if you remember, we'll look at the other side, but there was a lot of damage done over there. That's where I boarded it, and then men put bags behind it. We'll have a look in a sec. And then we come up to this top section, and that's held. Looking up there where she's dammed it all the way up, that's all held. Kept the water in. Right, we'll go across here. This is where it's coming out into this first rice crop here. And of course this section here, fine, solid. Yeah, this is all good. This top section's good really, like. There's a bit draining through over there, what I just previously showed you. So, fine, fine. Let's go down and have a look at this section. This fence with the soil being washed away there, so need to purchase some more or get some more bamboo and stuff to lay along there. So that's the sort out, that's being washed out. Now you can see here, this bit that used to be full is breached there and come through there. There's a fish down there, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there'll be a canny few fish moving about. There, it's got itself in that water now. Yeah, so this was previously damaged here, and there's a banana gone down into it in that tree that Mem suspected was going to go over, and has done, but easily remedied. Since I've started talking to you lot, it's actually stopped raining. Well, drizzly. Now this is still held, even though that bit was washed away previously, and it's still held to a degree. But obviously Mem released it there, so it's washing down into there. Now down into this first section, second section, where there's quite a deluge of water in here. A collection rather, and the blue pipe's doing its work. But this bottom section is flooded right up. Now I'm suspecting Mem hasn't removed that bag down there, so better go and do it. Back down into this bottom end. Well, yeah, she has removed the bag. The bag's on the bloody top, so about 2 foot down is the blue pipe that's draining across there and into there. But still a deluge coming in here because it's coming from over here. There's an overflow with it coming down. It's not going through that blue pipe quick enough. No. What might be an idea as well is dig this out a bit more and put a bigger concrete pad down. Go down about a foot, 2 foot, and lay it with stones and concrete, and under here as well. Let's see what happens. But repairable. My main issue was these concrete posts here, but held fast. But you can see the rate of flow going in there. Now someone suggested before about this centre bit where it narrows over towards the wall and flows through here, which is causing quite a lot of turbulence in there and a lot of power. Now someone suggested digging all this out, so that might just come to pass. But if it's like this here, what the hell it's like further up by that main road. By God, if that main road washes away, that fella who owns that bloody sugar cane in the other side, he's gonna get some big bill. That'll be his profit gone for next season. Yeah, but it's receding. Even since that bit walk right around, it's gone down a couple of inches. So yeah. The dogs did come down with me, but they've buggered off back.
Been blessed. That's the way God planned it. That's the way God wants it to be. That's the way God planned it. That's the way God wants it to be. Let not your heart be troubled. Let mourning and sobbing cease. Learn how to help